Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Reviews Cup. Today I'll be talking about a very interesting product that is called as a Profit Pixar. So I'll be giving my reviews about this product, what features I liked about this product, and I'll also show you at the end a demo of this product. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so before starting off this review of the particular product, so I want to tell you about where you can use this product. So this product is basically a graphic designing product. For those people who are into professional graphic designing can use this product, or like this quarantine season many people are learning new skills. If you are like learning new skills and you are learning graphic designing, so this is that software for you. Okay, so yeah, so before getting into the things which I liked about this product, I just want to show you where you can use this product. Okay, so yeah, you can see this product can be used for making your logos, Facebook covers, business cards, and lot of things like Twitter posts. You can just make use of this product for these things. And yeah, one of the things which I liked about this is that if you see the other products out there for logo designing or for graphic designing softwares, so around the price for that software and this software is the same, and this software not even I would say same, this software also comes with the some additional features also. Okay, so you are getting the same more features the same price, right? So that's what I liked about this product. Okay, so we'll just move on to the features of this product, right? Okay, let's show you the features of this product. Okay, I'll just open the okay, so yeah, you can see some of the features of this product. So one is a drag and drop feature, right? So in this, if you are like new into graphic design, so you don't have to like worry a lot. It's just basically simple drag and drop, very easy to use, right? Another thing is the templates. You will get a lot of templates in this particular software, so you don't have to worry much about the templates part. The good templates, they have provided the pretty good templates out there. Okay, the third is the stock images and the vector graphics, right? Yeah, so this is something like stock images, basically some full HD images that you get, so you don't have to pay additional prices for this. So some of things you'll be getting free with this. So if you get with the other softwares, you have to pay for such things for stock images and vector graphics. So here you don't have to pay additionally for this. Yeah, this is one of the point to be noted here. Another is the image filters. It also comes with the image filters. Yeah, and one of the good feature I liked about this is that in this they also provide the high converting cold email sites, right? So let's say if you want to pitch for your client or pitch your client, then don't you can just pitch your client with this cold email, so you don't have to get stressed for that. So this is a good feature, like you don't have to basically in this single software you're getting everything, right? You don't have to switch on from one window to another window for such things. So if you are like into freelancing in any of the freelancing website like Fiverr, Upwork or Guru, any of the freelancing websites, freelancer.com, so for that this is a, if you are into that kind of stuff, this also be good things that you'll be getting with this product. Yeah, so I have written down this features is basically so that you will be able to compare with other softwares, because there are various tons of softwares out there, so you may get confused which to use, which not to use. So yeah, you can just look at these features and just compare with those. So there are like other features also, but they are very common features that you can find in any software. These were some of the features which I thought are different features from other software. That's why I've listed down those. So you can just have a look at these features again once again, and then we'll move on to our demo video. So don't worry, I'll be providing the links down below, so you can just check the software. By clicking on that link, you will be moved on to a page. So there you can see the about the software, you can read about the software, and just you can buy that software. Okay, I'll just show you the demo part. So you can see that these people are making some poster for some of the shoe company. You can see how they're like making it very easy to use. So yeah, you can see how easily they have made the particular poster to this software. So yeah, this is something which I liked, as I told you, for the software, very easy to use. If you're newbie getting started, best software for you. If you're a professional, then can various features for you provided, as I told you some of the features. So yeah guys, that's from my side. So yeah, if you want to buy this product, I have just provided out with the links in the description, so you can buy from the links. And also you will be on clicking on that link, you will be moved on to a page. You can see all of, again you can see about this product, read about this product, and you can buy from that link. Okay guys, so this was from my side. If you like this video, please hit a like button and do comment if you want another reviews of the softwares. I'll be coming up with many software reviews. So yeah, if you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Reviews Cup. Thank you.